The tech industry eliminated over 80,000 positions in the first quarter of 2026, a sudden, violent contraction across the entire sector. Executives have officially attributed nearly half of these cuts to AI automation. However, tracking data suggests a wave of AI washing, where companies use technological shifts to mask corporate downsizing they had already planned. But these layoffs coincide with a shift in the ways software is actually built, as designers move away from interfaces made for human eyes. Salesforce exposed its platform, including Slack and Agentforce, as direct APIs, letting AI agents consume services directly. This creates a crisis. The traditional per-seat subscription fails when the user is an AI, making thousands of requests per second. Rather than replacing workers one by one, AI is stripping the human layer out of the digital economy entirely. Raw parameter size is losing its relevance as the defining metric of an AI's power. A tiny open-source model defeated frontier models 10 times its size on coding benchmarks. This performance comes from the scaffolding, the software wrapper managing the model's logic. By using internal logic loops and strict thinking budgets, developers extract elite results from small models. Because this scaffolding is so efficient, powerful AI can now run entirely on local consumer hardware. This allows users to bypass cloud providers and eliminate API costs. Control has moved away from the megacorporations hoarding cloud compute and toward the developers who can optimize local architecture. While local AI offers privacy, the enterprise cloud is becoming more transparent. A zero-day flaw in Notion's API was recently caught leaking user emails silently, requiring no authentication or login to access. Many employees are also discovering that corporate AI tools function as surveillance. Claude Enterprise gives employers full audit access to every message sent, even when a user believes they are operating in incognito mode. These breaches show that our current safety standards are failing. The Claude safety paper recently revealed that safety protocols evaluated in isolated chat boxes do not predict how a model will behave in the real world. As this chart shows, frontier models that pass every safety test in a chat box experience a 40 to 75% attack success rate the moment they are granted agentic permissions. Granting a chatbot the freedom to interact with live APIs transforms a useful tool into a systemic, full-stack liability. As machine speed accelerates, human performance metrics are beginning to collapse. Higher education is facing a literacy crisis. Students are now bypassing years of study to earn degrees in weeks through credential hacking, while professors report that incoming classes are unable to engage with complex texts. Relying on AI for the truth is equally risky. When Google's Gemini recently flagged a real $280 million crypto exploit, it immediately retracted the claim as a hallucination the moment it was challenged by a user. A system that hedges its factual claims under conversational pressure is unreliable and dangerous for critical human decision-making. But on the developer side, the capability is exploding. A 16-year-old recently built an autonomous agent that reads documentation and engineers full-stack applications instantly. The divide in technical literacy has moved past basic computer operation to the massive capability gap between those who prompt and those who build. In the headless economy, the ability to chat with an interface is becoming obsolete. Survival belongs to those who build the scaffolding.